In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Now, once you have typed it, kindly wait until you will get a best match here in this kind of window. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to expand it first. And please proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P1505. Okay? So please proceed to the first option. Click on it under the first result rather. Okay? And from here, you need to scroll down on the list. Please scroll down on the list and choose for driver product installation software and choose for basic drivers. So click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once you have downloaded, copy and move that to the desktop. Okay, and it would be placed here. And the next step that you need to do is you need to unzip it or to extract it, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So click on extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted this file. So once a new file folder has been placed here, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we will now start on the installation. So by that, please make a right click here at the start icon, go with settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on it and please choose for printers and scanners, and you would be able to get an option like this. All you need to do is you need to click on add a device so that you can manually add your printer driver, or you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. So click on it once it would show up here below this one. So go with this add printer or network printer with manual settings, click on next, and then click on this done or can use among of these three USB ports. So click on next and go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down on the list, double tap to the extracted file and choose this one, then click on next, then click on OK. So once you've clicked on it, you need to locate for 1505. Okay, so from here, click on next and go with next, and it will now start in the installation. So all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished. Once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.